like all those illustrations of city maps because it just helps me to commemorate a special place or celebrate the new house where I just moved in, or even just add a simple decoration to my desk. We'll go on free country map because I can get a map which is extremely simple without any label. I'm gonna frame the area which I find interesting. Now Procreate, I will add the map. So now first thing I would duplicate it to save it, and we are gonna go into curve. So the thing I want to save is the streets. Invert. And the second would be the canals. I can't wait to see your creation of the personalized city map. So share your creation with me. Thank you for joining me in this creative journey, and until next time, happy crafting!